Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not usually prone to doing an unboxing video. In fact, I've never even thought about doing one before. However, I just got this. I got it through Amazon. I try to get anything I can through Amazon first. And the reason I got this particular Surefire X300 Ultra was I wanted the FDE. I have enough black lights. I wish they would make more that were FDE or ODE or anything, but they don't. But the reason I'm doing this unboxing is I was a little surprised. So let's open up the box. I started to open it and then stopped because I was a little surprised. This is the box, and look at what you get in it. Obviously, you get the two Surefire batteries that go in the light, but look at all these little pieces and stuff. And then down here are the instructions. Well, you get these with any Surefire light. That's not a problem. You're going to get the instructions. You know, here are all the little things that are kind of neat, but... And then obviously you get the read before and... Oh, look! A Surefire sticker! Wow, I love them! I put them on everything. I put stickers on mostly my Pelican boxes. I have lots of them. But anyway, let's finish the unboxing. Here is the light. And in a completely different video, oh, my cat has arrived. She must see what we're doing. Her name is Katniss. That's her name, and yes, it's true. With a C, not a K. Completely different story. But anyway, she's now watching this on the phone. Completely different story. You need to go away, Katniss, because I'm trying to record a video. So can you please go away? I'm going to make you go away, okay? Let's go away for now. Okay. Katniss is out of the video. You go away for now. Anyway, back to the reason why I did this. I'm going to talk more about the light itself in a completely different video because I'm going to talk about weapons lights. I haven't figured out exactly how the script's going to go, but I am going to figure that out. But the reason I did this was because of this. I had no idea that this came with this thing. I have no idea what all of this is. I'm going to have to find out. Let's take a knife and maybe we can... Ooh, guess what? Of course, Greg always has a knife. And away we go. So let's open the package. Yes, it's a very sharp knife. We have an obvious... You don't have any idea how many of these I have because I built guns and done all kinds of other modifications. But we got a bunch of Doomaflickies here. I presume they have something to do with the ability to mount it. But until I read the instructions, I have no idea what they are for. But because I got all this stuff, and I want to put it up where you can see it. Oh, we even get Loctite. Wow, look at that. Which one is it? I guess it's the blue thread one. Can't tell. You get Loctite 242 with this. That's a good thing. Loctite's always handy. But, seriously, the reason why I did this was I was a little surprised when I opened the box with everything that was in it. You have to go away, Katniss. Away goes Katniss. Bye-bye, Katniss. You know, I've gotten the Surefire stickers with lots of things. And you always get the batteries when you get the light. But I was pretty impressed. You gotta go away, cat. With all these other little things, which I have no idea what they do. However, I have the instructions, so I will learn. And not to bore you to death, but that's the entire sum of the video. The reason why I did this unpackaging was I was just surprised at all the little parts that came with it in this little package. And we will talk more about why I bought this light and other weapons lights that I have. I hope you have a great night, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.